you worried because your SSDI or SSI check is lower than usual this July? Or maybe you didn't get your payment at all. If you depend on Social Security disability insurance or supplemental security income, every dollar matters. Missing or reduced payments can mean tough choices, like skipping meals, missing bills, or not getting your medicine. You're not alone. Many Americans, seniors, people with disabilities, and low-income families are facing the same problem this month. In this video, we'll explain why your check might be lower or missing in July 2025 and what you can do to fix it, step by step. Let's get right to it. July 2025 is a tricky month for Social Security payments. Many people are seeing lower amounts or even missing payments. But why? There are a few main reasons, and we'll break them down for you. First, let's talk about the payment schedule. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, usually sends out payments on specific days each month. But in July 2025, the 4th of July, Independence Day, falls on a Friday. That's a federal holiday, and banks are closed. When this happens, the SSA often sends payments a day early, or sometimes delays them until the next business day. This can cause confusion, especially if you're used to getting your money on a certain date. Example, let's say you usually get your SSI payment on the 1st of the month. But if the 1st falls on a weekend or holiday, your payment might arrive the business day before. In July 2025, some people got their payment in late June instead of July. So when you check your July statement, it looks like you didn't get paid, but you actually did, just a little early. Another common reason is banking delays. Even if the SSA sends your payment on time, your bank might take extra time to process it, especially around holidays. Sometimes direct deposit systems have glitches, or your bank account information might have changed. If you recently switched banks or updated your account, your payment could be delayed or even returned to the SSA. Example, if you changed your bank account in June, but the SSA didn't update your information in time, your July payment might bounce back. The SSA will then mail you a paper check, which can take several days or even weeks to arrive. For SSI recipients, your payment amount can change if your income or resources change. The SSA reviews your situation every year, and sometimes more often. If you started a part-time job, received help from family, or got a tax refund, your SSI check might be lower in July. The SSA may also adjust your payment if you moved, got married, or if someone moved in or out of your household. Example, if you received a stimulus payment, a tax refund, or help with rent, the SSA might count that as income. This could lower your SSI payment for 1 or more months. Sometimes, the SSA discovers they paid you too much in the past. When this happens, they may reduce your current or future payments to recover the overpayment. You should get a letter explaining this, but sometimes the notice arrives late or gets lost in the mail. Example, if you were overpaid $200.00 last year, the SSA might take $50.00 out of your check each month until it's paid back. If you didn't expect this, your July payment might seem lower for no reason. Finally, sometimes payments are delayed or reduced because of system errors or fraud prevention. The SSA and VA use computer systems to check for unusual activity. If they see something suspicious, like a new address, a big deposit, or a change in your bank account, they might put a temporary hold on your payment until they can verify your information. Example, if you moved to a new state or updated your direct deposit, the SSA might freeze your payment for review. This is to protect you from fraud, but it can cause delays. Let's quickly recap the main reasons your SSDI or SSI payment might be lower or missing in July 2025. Payment sent early because of the July 4th holiday. Banking delays or direct deposit issues. Changes in your income, resources or living situation. Overpayment recovery by the SSA system. Errors or fraud prevention holds. Now, let's talk about what you can do if your payment is late, missing or lower than expected. Step by step, what to do if your payment is late or lower. Step 1. Check your bank account and payment history. Look at your bank statement for late June and early July. Sometimes your payment arrives early and it's easy to miss if you're only checking July. If you get a paper check, check your mail carefully. Step 2. Log in to your My Social Security account. Go to SSA.gov/my account and log in. You can see your payment history, upcoming payments, and any notices from the SSA. If you see a message about a change or delay, follow the instructions. Step 3. Contact your bank. If the SSA says they sent your payment but it's not in your account, call your bank. Ask if there are any holds or delays. Sometimes banks hold deposits for a day or two, especially after holidays. Step 4. Check your mail for SSA notices. The SSA will send you a letter if your payment is reduced or delayed. Look for any mail from the Social Security Administration. If you moved recently, make sure your address is up to date. Step 5. Call the SSA or VA. If you still can't find your payment, call the SSA at 1-800-772-1213. For VA benefits, call 1-800-827-1000. Be ready with your Social Security number, bank information, and any recent changes to your account or address. Step 6. Visit your local SSA office. If you can't get help by phone, visit your local Social Security office. Bring your ID, bank statements, and any letters you've received. You can find your nearest office at ssa.gov/locator. Or, let me repeat that, spell that out, ssa.gov/locator. If you're facing a real hardship, like you can't pay for food, rent or medicine, tell the SSA right away. They may be able to speed up your payment or give you an emergency advance. You can also contact local charities, food banks, or your state's Department of Social Services for help. For more information, visit these official websites: Social Security Administration, SSA GO, via My Social Security account, SSA GO via my/MVA benefits, VA Gov's SSA GO, vi/pubs/NVI-F10031PG. You can also call the SSA at 1-800-8271-000. We've heard from viewers just like you. My SSA payment was missing in July, but I found it in my June bank statement. It came early because of the holiday. I changed banks and my payment was delayed. The SSA sent me a paper check after I called them. My check was lower because I got help with rent from my daughter. The SSA counted it as income. If you have a story to share, leave a comment below. Your experience could help someone else. Remember, if your SSDI or SSI payment is lower or missing in July 2025, you're not alone. Most problems can be fixed with a few simple steps. Check your payment history, contact your bank, and reach out to the SSA if you need help. Don't be afraid to ask questions or get support. You deserve your benefits, and there are people ready to help you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might need it. Leave a comment below if you have questions or want to share your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Social Security, VA benefits, and financial tips for seniors and people with disabilities. Watch our next video, How to Appeal a Social Security Payment Decision. Step-by-step guide linked right here on the screen. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. You're not alone on this journey.